Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about numeric values. How we can show the numeric values at the HMI from the PLC. We will make a small program in PLC and for timer control, and we will set the value from HMI for the timer, and status of the motor we will say on and off, latch, unlatch from the HMI. So first of all we will make the small program in PLC, and after we will go to the HMI. So simply make it the end simulation and start from a bit. For example, M100 I will take for execution of my timer, and we will use a one timer here. For example, T200 I will choose, and value we will not write here. In previous lectures you see in timer control videos I will set the value from here at the timer, but now we need our data execute from HMI. So how we can execute the data from HMI? So we have to be use here data registers. Data registers, for example, I choose T0 and click it OK, and one branch we will take it here for our relay any. We will make it, for example, Y0, make it like to be on, and we say we need this motor starts, and when time is finished after this will on, and this T200 close contact I will choose and make it here, and in simple we will make it on, our timer will be start and our output will be on. So this we will make it simulation, and this is to the run PLC. So now our program is ready here in PLC, and now we will make it program for HMI. Already I opened my software for EasyBuilder Pro for HMI. First of all, this window will pop up, and this all window, first of all you have to be choose the colors. How you can choose your colors of the HMI depends on your choice. Go to the simply in attributes, anywhere in the this display, anywhere, click attributes and go to the colors. This is window 10 is displaying, and go to the background color. Here is the right background color. Any color which you like to be make on display, this color if you like to choose, when you click it OK, this color will be apply. And if you like to be change this color, also you can go to the any this color if you like to be choose, click it OK, and this color will be applied. And if you need another, for example, custom color which you like to be set with your own choice, so go to the more colors, and here you have to be select any which color you like to select, and display is showing here. For example, this we need, this need, this need, this need. Which color is better for you, this color you will choose and click it OK, and then click it OK, your color will be ready. How many times you like to be change the color, this is depend on you. For example, this color if you like to be choose, or custom color any, for example, this is the parrot color, this is little dark, this is little high, which any color that you can choose and click it OK. For example, this color we will choose, and simply we will go to the object part, and here we will choose one set bit. Here is a set on, for example, M100, this is here address we have to be giving M100, and here you have to be choose your PLC, which PLC you have. I have a FATEC FPS model, this I will choose, and after you have to be go to the shapes, which shape you like to choose. For example, this shape you need, I will click OK, and you can see this color is ready. And if you like to be change this button size and this system, Also this address, sorry, you have to be change this address here. M100 we have to be give 100, we have to be give this, because of its address not okay, our PLC will be not communicate with the sorry, our HMI will be not communicate to the PLC. So M100 we choose already, and shape we go to the picture library, and simply here is a many types of this is the gallery. Here you can choose which button you like to be choose. Also here you can choose this picture library, this legacy. You can scroll down, and many buttons you can see in the gallery that you can choose. For example, this button I will choose and close it, this one. Sorry, still not, this is not choose. Go to again his area. For example, which button you like to be choose, any button, for example this button if you need. Add to project, add to project. After this close, now see this all buttons are ready to here. For example, this button if you like to make, click it OK, and this button is now ready, and click it apply and click it OK. Now this button is ready. Any button you like to be choose, you can choose, and simply make it Control C, and here another Control V, and this button will be ready. For better visual condition, you have to choose which color is suitable for easy to graphic making. Thus, for example, this color I will choose. This is the little black. Because of this dots I can see, and easily I can adjust my this buttons where to align. Yani, for example, you like to be align this all buttons, you can easily align here. And next, we will choose one output bit lamp. This Y0 is my bit lamp, and this shape we have to be choose. Go to the picture library, and if you like to this button, it's okay. If you need to be new another, you can choose it from here. This is the gallery. This is also push buttons. Any push button which you like to choose, this is good for you. This you can choose. See, this is the very long library you can find, and which you can, this is the lights. See, if you like to choose this light, for example, add to the project and close it, and now this is ready. And but you can see the function how it's working. You can here sample you can see. If not visible good, you can change this bit LED and go to the another. This is all buttons, and we need to the lamp, for example. Yeah, this is the lamp. For example, this red button we will choose, add to the project, go back, and this button you can see, this is when on, after look like this is the behave, and when off this, it's okay. We will choose this one and click it OK. And size you can increase or decrease. This is depend on your choice. How much size you need, you can make it this one at design. And this is our, for example, this is address we will give our motor address. And also if you like to be giving the comments, you can go to the simply here in draw, and here you can make it text. For example, this is motor, I will give motor and click it OK and place it here, and this is your motor name. And also if you this buttons also you like to give name, simply click C, Control C, and make it Control V, make it Control V, and take it here one, and another you can take it here, and go down, and this one also you can take it here, and also you can write inside the start for example, and click it OK. And this is for example, you make it stop. You can make it stop, this one. Now this your two buttons, this is your latch system is ready. For example, this is start, this is stop, and this is your motor indication. And in next we have to be set the data of our timer. Numeric value we have to be choose. This numeric value, this is D0 for example, or D whichever which you are using in the program, this you have to be choose. And here you have to be make it OK, and where you like to make this here for example. And inside also you can change this font also format if you like to change this format. And this font is the, for example, this is 16, I will choose for example 20. This size will be changed inside. And this is make it control C and make it control V. Oh sorry, this no need to, we have to be this one also, no need, we have to this one control C and here control V. And this is our set point and this is our display. But have to be display, you have to be choose here timer value, because you like to be see the value. What's the RT timer? RT, which number you're using? 200 for example, using add 200 and click it OK. Now almost our program is ready, and you like to be aligned for example anywhere, here like to be little down or here very near, which this depend on your choice, where you like to be aligned, you can make it align. And simply go to the project and make it online simulation. See, now your program is ready and your timer value is shown here, and here is your set point. This is your set point, sorry. If you like to change the value, for example 8 you like to choose, click it 8 and click it enter. And as you make it the start button, your motor will be on and your time will be shown at this numeric value. As the completed 8 value, your motor will be closed. And this timer will be continuous running. If you not stop this one, your timer will be not stop. This is why not working. We have to be check what's the problem, stop, and go to the PLC program. For example, we will go to the PLC program. What's the problem? This is M100. This is what we make for set and reset. And here now go back to our HMI program. Here what we define M100 set on, it's okay. And this one stop condition what we choose, this is also we choose set on. This is our mistake, because if you both make it set on, after this will be not work properly. You have to be making this one set off and address M100 is okay, and click it the again OK, and go to the online simulation and you see your HMI. And also if you like to see, for example, this I will make it down, and this is your online monitoring. And when you make it on, after you can see this one running. First make it stop. Now your M100 go to the stop condition. See, sorry, make it this one again. I will make it on. See, our M100 is on and our time is now started, and this time value is shown it downside. As completed the value of our set point of the timer, after your output will be off. Again we will make it the stop, and we will change the value. For example, you like to change this 10 value. For example, we say 10 seconds our motor need to be run, and 10 seconds after automatically goes to off. Make it the on, and now your value when reach set the 10, after your motor will be off. This is Y0, and here also indication will be go. See, now this is stopped, and make it stop here. So I hope you understand about this lesson how we can make a small program latch and set value of the timer. Chala will be next lectures. I will give you the complete guidance for the HMI. I'm using this Weintek HMI and this is EasyBuilder Pro. And if you have any problem or something, you need my help, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.